Hi YouTubers, it's George, just playing around with radios for a short while, and Happy New Year to everybody. And the bands are not too bad at the moment. There's a few stations popping up there, and but there's some strange transmissions, and I'll just switch that off for a minute. But there's been some strange transmissions on the 20 metre band. I'll see if I can find one for you. There's a woodpecker type interference there. Nice. That's slow scan television, and that's 30/9. You see that? Sorry. Right. That's 40/9 then.
Victoria Alpha, Italy Kilo 2, Yankee Victor Alpha, 59 over. Ok, Italy Kilo 2, Yankee Victor Alpha, 59. Ok, Italy Kilo 2, Yankee Victor Alpha, 5973. Ok, 59, buona pomeriggio, 73, Hotel Bravo 9, Whiskey Alpha.
Can you hear the pilot?
The Papa Tango.
Right. But there's some strange stations outside the ham bands.
So pleasure to get you in the log, and now I look forward to catching up again a little bit later on. Mike 0 Lima Sierra Kilo, Golf Mike 8 Oscar Fox, Quebec. Cheers for now.
Yeah, if I go right up the band, just here. So I'm at 14.40 megahertz almost. Yeah, 14.4. And can you hear it? And there's a station come on.
The rebel leader has been captured. Excellent. Prepare to position. Capture. Capsule to forward position.
Just moving back out of that now. Anyway, it's just a short video, and as I say, I used this to see how busy the bands are. This is a Malin Height DSP SDR radio. I only really use it as like a display so I can see across the bands, and all these are like stations. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.